Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a very simple yet a very fantastic stitch which can be used for warm clothing for all of us, and it can be used when made in cotton. It gives a thick fabric and you can use it for table mats and coasters, etc. This is nothing but alternating single crochet spike, a simple 2-row repeat pattern, and it's done with even number of chains as foundation chains. I shall make even number of foundation chains and get back to you. I have made 12 chains, single crochet in the next second chain from the hook, and one single crochet in each of the chains all through. Complete the single crochets. I shall get back to you. For row 2, chain 1, turn SC in the first SC. Now a single crochet spike in the stitch that is below the second. So insert your hook in the stitch that is 2 rows below, pull up, single crochet spike is done. Again single crochet in the next, single crochet spike in the next. So alternating single crochet, single crochet spike. Single crochet spike is worked in the stitch 1 row below the, that is 2 rows below the stitch. So this I have worked spike, single crochet. Now for single crochet spike, I am going to insert my hook in the stitch that is below the previous row stitch and make the spike. So continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end. For row 3, chain 1 and turn. Place your single crochet in the very first stitch and the next, and then make the single crochet spike in the next stitch 2 rows below, single crochet in the next. So continue this repeat, single crochet spike, till the end of the row. I shall meet you at the end of the row. I've placed my last single crochet here and we come to the end of the row. So place a single crochet in this last stitch, chain 1, turn, single crochet in the first stitch, again single crochet spike in the next, single crochet spike, single crochet spike, single crochet spike. Spike stitches are worked as mentioned below the rows, the row that is mentioned. We pick up the stitch from the stitches that is mentioned in the row below. So last but one is single crochet spike and then place a single crochet. So rows 3 and 4 are the pattern repeat rows. I shall make few more rows and get back to you. I have made few more rows. I repeated rows 3 and 4 to the required length. So repeat rows, pattern repeat rows are rows 3 and 4. Instructions for rows 3 and row 4 is a pattern repeat. So you can repeat the pattern to the length of desired length of your project. Hope you enjoyed the stitch. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and hit on the bell. Do hit on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Please do share, like and share our videos. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.